Hemispheric lateralization. The left and right brains. The left and right cerebral hemispheres are connected by a broad white band of myelinated nerve fibers. The corpus callosum is a neural bridge consisting of white matter tracks that acts as a major communication link between the two hemispheres and allows them to function as a single unit. Lateralization refers to the relatively greater localization of a function in one hemisphere or the other. Left hemisphere is for verbal abilities, speech, mathematical and logical abilities. Right hemisphere is for spatial relations, faces, mental images, musical and artistic abilities. Plasticity in the brain, the role of experience and recovery function. Neural plasticity is the ability of neurons and brain areas and networks to change in structure and functions. How experience changes the brain. One of the examples is on cultural factor. Cultural factors may affect brain development as well. For example, the Chinese language uses complex pictorial images rather than words to represent objects or concepts. Because pictorial stimuli are processed in the right hemisphere, we might expect less left hemisphere lateralization of language among speakers of Chinese than among people who speak English or other alphabet-based language. There is evidence to support this hypothesis in the areas of reading and writing. Even your job may cause changes in your brain. That's true. A study by McGuire and colleagues in 2000 and Wallet and McGuire 2011 showed that London taxi drivers who are required to have an encyclopedic knowledge of London streets have a larger posterior hippocampus than control participants. The hippocampus is known to play an important role in spatial navigation. Healing the nervous system. When nerve tissue is destroyed or neurons die as part of the aging process, surviving neurons can restore functioning by modifying themselves either structurally or biochemically. Neurogenesis is the production of new neurons in the nervous system. Cognitive neurogenomics, the study of how the genome of an organism influences the development of the cognitive functions of its nervous system. Neural stem cells is actually immature uncommitted cells that can mature into any type of neuron or glial cell needed by the brain. The nervous system interacts with the endocrine and immune system. Interactions with the endocrine system. The endocrine system consists of numerous hormone-secreting glands distributed throughout the body. Hormones, chemical messengers that are secreted from its glands into the bloodstream. Adrenal glands are twin structures perched on top of the kidneys that serve as hormone factories, producing and secreting about 50 different hormones. Interactions involving the immune system. Antigens, meaning antibody generators. Foreign substances that trigger a biochemical response from the immune system. The nervous and endocrine system interact not only with each other, but also with the immune system. Programmed into this legion of tiny defenders is an innate ability to recognize which substances belong to the body and which are foreign and must be destroyed. Such recognition occurs because foreign substances, known as antigens, meaning antibody generators, trigger a biochemical response from the immune system. Bacteria, viruses, abnormal cells, and many chemical molecules with antigenic properties start the wars that rage inside our bodies every moment of every day. The immune system has a remarkable memory. Once it has encountered one of the millions of different antigens that enter the body, it will recognize that antigen immediately in the future and produce the biochemical weapons or antibodies needed to destroy it.